In this growing umbrella, the process and experiment are as important as its result. After preparing the colors for each cup, the paint had to be mixed with salt. That makes the color appear more effectively with the action of raining. All the cups has to be glued individually onto a baseboard to keep them stable and to prevent them from being blown away by the wind. It was at this stage that the whole image constructed from pixels could be seen for the first time. Next, each color in each cup has to be covered with citric acid, not only to conceal the color, but also to make them look white. Because citric acid is extremely soluble in water, the color underneath becomes strikingly visible as soon as rain falls. As the project developed, it was especially rewarding to discover something new at each stage of experimentation. Due to the comparatively rain-free summer, many hours and days passed by waiting for rain. Consequently, awareness of weather became more intense. I had to check the weather forecast every day. After many months of patience, the experiment of growing umbrellas developed into a satisfying and successful outcome.
With Wendy Hurrell and a hot afternoon in prospect.
Certainly is. Summer has made a comeback for one day only, perhaps. We've got some very lovely sunshine across the capital and the home counties at the moment. And yes, it is very warm. It's quite a different picture up across Scotland at the moment. They're expecting some very, very strong winds, but that's the benefit of us because it's drawing in all of this warm air from the continent, and that's taking temperatures up already to 25 degrees. So we're very likely, with the sunshine that we've got at the moment, to get to around 27 degrees thanks to those southerly winds today. So it's quite extraordinary really for this time of year for that to be as warm. A beautiful evening as well, and the first part of the night will be clear, although there will be some more cloud later on, maybe a spot or two of rain caught up in all of that cloud, and eventually temperatures will settle at around 14 degrees. Perhaps as low as 12 degrees in the countryside, so a little cooler than last night. So tomorrow it is going to be a slightly fresher feel. We'll begin with some cloud, and perhaps the far southeastern corner will hold on to that cloud for much of the day, but the sunshine will start to work its way in from the northwest. The winds then coming from a more northerly direction, that will help to make it feel a little bit fresher. So we're talking temperatures around 22 degrees. And then it's pretty much like that for Thursday, Friday, and up to the weekend as well. High pressure keeps the weather settled. We'll have some sunshine, little bits of cloud around, a high generally of around 21, 22 degrees. And as I say, that continues right the way through to the weekend as well.
There are warnings of gales in North Utsira, South Utsira, Forties, Dogger, Fisher, German Bight, Fitzroy, Bailey, Faroes and South East Iceland. The general synopsis at 1900. High 150 miles west of Seoul, 1030. Expected Shannon 1031 by 1900 Tuesday. The area forecasts for the next 24 hours. Viking. Northwesterly backing southwesterly 5 to 7, decreasing 4 at times. Showers then rain, moderate or good. North Utsira, South Utsira, 40s. Northwesterly backing southwesterly 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 in South Utsira, decreasing 5 at times. Showers then rain, moderate or good. Cromarty, 4th Tyne. Northwest backing southwest 4 or 5, occasionally 6 in Cromarty. Occasional rain, moderate or good. Dogger. Northwest backing southwest 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 in the east. Showers, moderate or good. Fisher, German Bight. Northwesterly 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 in Fisher, decreasing 5. Showers, rain later, moderate or good.
Finally, heavy snow is causing
Humber,
disruption
Thames.
in the north and east of Scotland and in the borders. Several schools are closed and many roads and rail links shut. Bad weather is also causing problems in the east of England and in North Yorkshire, where our correspondent Danny Savage is right now. Danny, first of all, the situation in Scotland, how bad is it?
Well, Sophie, the worst affected parts of Scotland seem to be the eastern side and the northern parts of Scotland at the moment. Shetland has been hit by snow. Many schools closed there. Inverness Airport was closed for much of the morning, although we've just heard that it has reopened. And coming further south down towards Dundee and Tayside, the council in Dundee say they're closing...